Hello and welcome to a historical domains tutorial. Today we're going to be learning about how to wrap a Namecoin domain onto the Ethereum blockchain as an ERC-721 token, otherwise known as an NFT. Once you have completed this, your NFT will be sellable on OpenSea and fully usable as a normal Ethereum NFT. Now, today's tutorial will only be really covering how to do this with a 2011 Namecoin domain. Now, if you have a Namecoin domain from later than 2011 that was originally made not in 2011, then please ask any questions that you have in the historical domains Discord, and somebody will definitely help you out over there. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to want to do is to go to emblem.finance. A link to this will be in the description of this video. Now, this is Emblem Vault. You connect your wallet to it, connecting just like this. Now, once you're here, you're going to want to click create and make a vault. Now, this vault that you're going to want to use is public, because if you make a private vault, then you're not going to be able to see this NFT on OpenSea, or if you can, your people will not be able to confirm the authenticity of that NFT. So you want this to be public 100% of the time. And then you click next. And in order to fill this in, you're going to want to use the historical domains template creator. So in order to use it, you're going to need to go to this link, which you can find in the description of this video, template.historicaldomains.io. And you're going to want to type in the domain name that you have. Now, the domain name that I have that is from 2011 is the d/todo, and you do not write .bit here, you just write it like this, and then you click generate. And what this does is it generates a uniform image that on the top includes exactly where it is in the series of order. So for example, if you've got the number 1 NFT, it's the first one that's ever been made. This one is 10,567th to 10,871. Now, the reason why there's 2 numbers there and it's not just a single number, it's because the moment that this domain was created, there was several other domains, looks like about 200 other domains that were all made at the same moment. So that's why they're basically all equally old or historic. And then in the center we have the name, and in the bottom we have the first registration, the exact date and the exact time in the bottom right. Now, what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to save this somewhere on our computer, just like that. And we're going to want to copy the title and paste the title here into the vault name, and copy that description as well. And this way it becomes part of the entire set of all 2011 domain names. And this generator means that they will all be uniform, and they will all match one another. And then we click next, and then at this stage we are here where it says on the vault embed display URL. Now what we want to do here is change that to image upload, and then we choose a file, and we're going to choose that same file that is this image right here, and that will become the picture that will be used as the NFT. And just like that, that's now been updated. So we're going to have to click approve Coval, because we haven't approved this before, which is the permission for them to be able to use Coval in our wallet. So I'm going to click confirm there. Now, you are going to require Coval tokens in order to do this process. We're about to see just how much Coval tokens. Now, in order to buy Coval tokens, you can do this from Uniswap and also from Coinbase. And from Uniswap, you can just swap another token in exchange for the Coval. And on Coinbase, you can just buy it and send it into your Ethereum mainnet wallet. And then if you can't see it in your wallet, it's because the token hasn't been added. In order to add the token, you just have to go to CoinGecko, search for Coval, circuits of value Coval, and you just click here, add to MetaMask, and you add the token, and then it will be visible within your MetaMask as a token, just like so. And then once the Coval token has been approved, it only needs to be approved 1 time per wallet. It says here, creating a vault spends 15 Coval, which is basically free. It probably costs more gas just to get the Coval. And then you just click do it, and then the transaction comes up, and it's going to cost a total of 0.05 ETH. And then we click confirm, and then once the transaction has gone through, the vault has been created. But at this point, this vault does not actually contain the actual Namecoin domain. So at this point, we're going to click on here, it says deposit addresses, and we're going to deposit an Nmc address. So we have to send our domain name to this Nmc address, which we're going to click to copy. So then we're going to go here to our Electrum wallet, and we're going to find our domain here, domain todo.bit. We're going to click on configure, and in configure, we're going to here paste this wallet address into the transfer to, and then click OK, and then type in our password. And then now that is no longer in our Electrum wallet, and it's now gone here. And then we just click refresh balances until it arrives inside this vault. So while we are still waiting for these balances to refresh, we're just going to go quickly and have a look on OpenSea. This is now visible on OpenSea, but it says empty vault. So it's going to say empty vault until we have that domain name in the vault and secured. Now this can take up to potentially even a few hours. Hopefully it doesn't take that long. But I'll see you guys soon when the vault has been refreshed. Okay, so now the Namecoin has finally been sent, and as you can see here, only 0.01 actual Namecoin has also been sent. So what we're also going to do is send 2 whole Namecoin, and the way that that looks is pay to this address. Now here it says the amount in micro Namecoin, which means that 2000 micro Namecoin is 2 Namecoin. So what we're going to do is we're going to send that, pay fee rate. So if we actually increase the fee, because it's pretty low anyway, enter the password and then send it. And that payment is sent. So what happens is that each domain actually expires after 9 months, and it costs 0.01 Namecoin to renew it for another 9 months. However, when it comes to this vault, you actually need 0.5 Namecoin at minimum for it to even renew, and if you put in a whole 2 Namecoin, then certainly gonna be over 50 years. It's actually like around 170 years that it will be good for, but the actual gas fees on the Namecoin protocol fluctuate, so it's pretty much certain that it will last for at least 50 years. So if you wanted to be even more sure, you could put 4 Namecoin in there just to be safe, and then that will eventually like show up in here. And then now that this is all in there, it's all done. That's it. That's our Namecoin done. You'll find that it still says empty vault, and then all you've got to do is refresh the metadata and reload the page. And then as you can see, that's now reloaded, and this is done. This is all done and completed. And the way to verify the authenticity of this specific NFT is to scroll down here and open up the view this NFT on emblem.finance, and it will open this page up for you. And then all you've got to do is click on view NFT, and it will open it up on Namebrowse, that specific NFT, and it should say here first registration. And now this cannot be faked in any way. So December the 28th 2011, and if we go here we can see December the 28th 2011, and then 7:23 p.m. 7:23 p.m. So this right here is definitely, you know, the real deal, and obviously we know it's the real deal because we actually we are the creators of it. And when it comes to this vault, nobody can access this vault. I've actually changed to a different wallet just now, and you know, there's nothing that I can do with this wallet. But if I change back to my other wallet and I connect that, then suddenly I've got transfer vault, claim, like crack the vault open. So whoever buys or owns that wallet that owns the NFT also owns the contents of the NFT, which is the actual domain name. And at any point they could actually claim and crack it open and have that domain name. So they basically are owners of a vault, and that vault is represented by this NFT. And that is how to wrap a Namecoin domain onto the Ethereum mainnet. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, then leave a like on this video and subscribe to this channel for more content.